Okay, save, and yes, I'm done my homework. Oh no! My homework! I think it means I have to build another computer. First of all, we have to prepare our work area so no damage occurs. Secondly, we prepare the motherboard and remember, we gotta be careful so we don't short circuit anything out. Afterwards, install the CPU and make sure you will match the arrow of the chip with one found on the board. Next, we install the heatsink and fan component. Then we place the RAM in its respective slot, found beside the CPU and the heatsink. Afterwards, we carefully place the motherboard in the case. Next step, we have to connect the power supply, so the computer has electricity. Then we install the video card in either the AGP or the PCI Express slot. Afterwards, we install the internal devices like the hard drives and the disk drives. Next, we close the workstation and prepare operation. Now we turn it on.